Place I'm at today, I'm going to have to go by local knowledge. Some say it used to be a gravel works, and some say it used to be a quarry. From this person's understanding, this place used to be a base station for when they dug up pits in the local area. It started in World War II and ended around 1977, and in terms of the place itself, it's been abandoned for at least a decade. There were other smaller buildings around the location, but they've been demolished. And that's all the history that they know and can find. So please hit that like button, please subscribe, and let's get into the video. And so today, people, I am doing a remake video. The remake video is of a abandoned brickworks. It's pretty big. It's like a warehouse, so a little bit of history. The lake near it, or lakes near it, used to get a load of gravel and quarry stuff, and they used to take it here, and I think this is where the stuff was made. But here we go. This is like the look of it. It's big. Here we go. It's big, there's a crane, and yeah. Came here with Jake last time, so link to Jake's Instagram below. But it's the reason why I want to come back is because the photos I got last time, I just I liked them, but I wanted better. I want to do better. And I've got a drone now, so I can do better. So I'll catch you in a bit when I'm here. So yeah, like I said, this is like a warehouse kind of place. I'm guessing. There's a lot of it's a ruin and a shell basically of what it was, but here we go, here's the crane. All the stuff in there. See, I don't know what this is. That used to be standing up, I reckon. And it was I don't know what it was, but it was full of something. But yeah, that would have been standing up back in the day. But this is the place. Alright, so me and Henry at the moment are having a look at it. Are you going in? Or are you going on it?
I was just having a look, now you're putting pressure on me.
I'm putting pressure on you. This is inside it. There's the chair. That would have been one of the gear sticks to turn, to move it and everything. Got some pedals down there. I'm surprised that this crane is still here. I would have thought they would have moved it unless it's fully broken.
It's fully broken.
Well, no, I mean back in the day, if it was if this was just a broken crane, they kept here. So in here is the actual engine, which is pretty big.
Being a whirlpool.
There's instructions on it.
On the panel in front of the seat, yeah.
Oh, we'll have a look at that in a minute. What, and how to actually use it?
Yeah.
It's pretty sick. Alright, then we'll have a look at the instructions in a bit. I'm just going to mess around on this crane for a bit because, you know, why not? It's not every day you get to explore an abandoned crane. Huh?
Nothing.
Are you enjoying this?
Am I enjoying it?
Yeah.
No, I just keep it in my head.
But yeah, it's not every day you get to explore something like this, so this is pretty sick. Here's Henry. He's going for it.
Probably going to fall in, aren't I?
Please don't, because I won't be able to catch you. I did it, people. Ah, come around this side. I did it, people. I'm on top. Here you go. Thanks. I hate heights. I'm scared being up here already. Okay, so as you walk in it, you have some little tram tracks. And what's this?
This way to Maddie.
Oh, this way to Maddie, yeah. If anyone doesn't know what that is, it's a joke. So yeah, through here, these are like little tram tracks, which I imagine would have had like little pushy, like yellow container things where they used to send the gravel down there. And that's where they used to store it. So since I've been here last, a lot more of this roof has fallen down. But here is the burnt out electric jack. And yeah, this just goes on for ages. Like all of these concrete holders, let's call them. But there you go. Storage warehouse part. That's what I'm going to call it. That one. But yeah, this is inside like the warehouse. There's nothing much here. Just a shell. But it just makes for some nice photography, so I'll get a few done here. And then I'll show you the outside like grounds and then we're done really. It's just going to be a short little video, this one. And I'll get the drone up as well. Right, this is the other part of the warehouse, which is just falling apart now. Just a container and some like metal. This is it. I ain't gonna spend long on it because it's just, I've done this before and it's like just empty, literally empty, so I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna go send the drone up now though. Because, yeah, this is just the part you've seen. Although I like the engraving on the wall. The engraving's got palm trees. There.